In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign in Mailchimp. Let's start right from the beginning. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel and find the option labeled Campaigns. Go ahead and click on that. Inside the Campaigns area, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click the Create button. The page will reload and you'll see a list of campaign types on the left side, such as email, automations, and landing page. For this tutorial, choose email. When you click email, it will expand and show three options: regular, plain text, and template. We're going to create a regular email campaign. After selecting regular, look to the right side where you'll be asked to enter an internal name for your email. This is just for your own reference, so choose something descriptive that helps you recognize the campaign later. Once you've named it, click Begin and wait for the page to load. A pop-up will appear, giving you several ways to start your design. You can choose from Save Templates, Fully Designed Layouts, Basic Layouts, Start from Scratch, use your own HTML, or use a recent email template if you've created one before. For this walkthrough, select a basic layout. The page will reload and show you a gallery of basic layout templates. Take a moment to browse through and pick one that fits your content. When you find one you like, hover over it and click Apply. The editor will then open with your chosen layout. Inside the editor, your email template appears on the right, and on the left you'll see the tools you can use. Here you have blocks, columns, pre-built columns, and text elements that you can drag and drop into your template. You'll also see a Styles tab. If you click Styles, you'll find options to adjust the overall look of your email, including the background, text, links, buttons, dividers, images, and logo. Just click each section to reveal its specific design settings. To edit any existing block in the template, simply click on it. Its Properties panel will open on the left, usually with tabs like Content, Styles, Visibility, or Code, depending on the block type. Explore these tabs to change text, images, spacing, and other settings. When a block is selected, you'll notice small icons on or near it that let you move, duplicate, or delete that block. Use these to rearrange your layout and keep everything organized. Once you're happy with the design and content of your email, look to the top right and click Save and Exit. Wait for the page to reload. You'll now see a summary screen for your campaign. Here, review each section carefully. Under 2, choose the audience or segment you want to send to. Set any Do Not Send To criteria, and optionally check the box to personalize the To field if that fits your strategy. Under From, confirm or edit the sender name and email address, so recipients recognize who it's from. Next, click the Subject area to add your email subject line and preview text. These are crucial for open rates, so make them clear and relevant. Then, check the Send Time section. Here you can decide whether to send the campaign immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time. Finally, review the content section to make sure your latest version is saved. Anytime you make a change in these sections while they're expanded, remember to click the Save button within that area so nothing is lost. When everything looks correct and you're ready to go, head to the top right of the screen and click Send. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click Send Now to finalize it. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent an email campaign in Mailchimp.